Hey everybody, this is a video on how to adjust your headlights on a 2016 Hyundai Accent. It should be the same for an Elantra. Um, Basically what we're going to do is adjust the headlights up and down. Either they're too low, you don't see too much ahead of you, or they're facing up in the sky and you can't see much of the road. Basically how you adjust that is you pop your hood, of course. On the left side it'd be the easiest way to see the adjustment nut. It's right here on the very bottom. This very bolt right here, you either turn it to the left or the right to adjust it up or down. And what you do is park it up against the wall like we have here on the garage door, and you can see the headlight. The center of the headlight is the brightest point, and you use that line for an example. You either turn it to the left or turn it to the right, and it'll bring it up or down. You pretty much keep them level. On this one, we're going to bring it up. They're facing too far to the ground from the factory, so I'm going to raise it up. We're going to start with the left side, and basically I think it's turned to the left and it'll drop. As you can see on the garage door, you can watch it as it drops as I turn it. I'm going to bring it down about, or actually I'm going to bring this one up 2 inches because it's too low, so we're going to go above the line. That's even with the other side, and I'm going to bring it up about 2 inches. And as you can see, the left and right aren't even now.
No.
And now I'm going to go adjust the other side. For the other side, it's a little bit more complicated. You got to come over here and open the air filter vent. It's just 2 clips. Pull it up. Just get it out of the way, just like that. And the adjustment screws the same place on the light, except for it's just tucked back in there. You're going to need either a 5/16 wrench or 8mm wrench to reach the screw. And basically you're just going to keep an eye on the direction, and I'm going to be turning it to the left to bring it up even with the other side. And that's about it. It's pretty even on both sides, and basically after you do your adjustment, you go for a test drive at night, of course, to where you can see your adjustment on your headlights and make sure it's the right height for your visibility. And basically you don't want to point up in the sky, and you don't want to point at the ground because it's going to be pitch black. You want it even with the road so you can see far ahead of you, and the lights are directional to the ground, at least 50 to 100 yards ahead of you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Shit, stop.